A very good morning to all the students of class 3rd. Dear student, today we will study the 14th chapter of social science named as Chennai from the book Our Land, Our World. So, dear student, let's begin with the chapter 14. In the beginning of chapter, dear student, you should know what are the learning objectives of the chapter. So, dear student, in this chapter, we will study about Chennai. So, let's discuss about the Chennai. Dear student, Chennai is located on the eastern coast of the country. Where is Chennai located? Very important question. Where is Chennai located? Chennai is located on the eastern coast of the country. Where is Chennai located? Chennai is located on the eastern coast of the country, which is facing the Bay of Bengal. This is again very important question. Chennai is facing the Bay of Bengal. This is the Chennai position in the map of India. So dear student, according to the 2011 Indian census, it is the sixth largest city and fourth most populous urban agglomeration in India. Agglomeration in India. Which is the sixth largest city of India? That is Chennai. Chennai is the sixth largest city of India. Which is the fourth most populous urban agglomeration in India? Chennai is the fourth most populous urban agglomeration in India. It is one of the biggest cities of South India. Which is the biggest city of South India? Chennai is the biggest city of South India. Dear student, Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. Which is the capital city of Tamil Nadu? Chennai is the capital city of Tamil Nadu. This is very important question which you should know. Chennai is the capital of the state of Tamil Nadu. All important offices of government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai because Chennai is the capital of Tamil Nadu. That's why all the government offices situated at Chennai. The governor and the chief minister and other ministers of Tamil Nadu live in Chennai. Governor, चीफ मिनिस्टर और उनके बाकी के मिनिस्टर कहाँ रहते हैं? चेन्नई में रहते हैं. So this is for Chennai. Let's move ahead to know Chennai. Chennai has a big seaport. Chennai has a big seaport. As I am marking it, Chennai has a big seaport. Ships bring goods from other countries and carry the goods produced in India to those countries. Main industries in Chennai are cotton textile and coaches, railway wagons and oil refineries. So Chennai के main industries कौन-कौन से हैं? Chennai की main industries है which is very important, that is cotton textile, coaches, railway wagons and oil refineries. Tanks are manufactured at the Avadi. That is Avadi. Tanks are manufactured at Avadi. Yes, student, this is very important question. Tanks are manufactured at Avadi. कहाँ बनते हैं टैंक? Avadi. Chennai has a big film industry also. Yes, student, most of the people living in Chennai speak in Tamil language. What is the language of Chennai? They speak in Tamil language. However, English is widely spoken. Their common food is rice, sambar dal, and curd. They like to eat special dishes of idli, dosa, vada, upma, and rasam with sambar. क्या क्या खाते हैं वो लोग? कॉमन फूड क्या है? राइस, सांबर और dahi. They like to eat special dishes like idli, dosa, vada, upma, rasam and sambar and coconut chutney. Their main drink is coffee and not tea. उनका main drink क्या है? Coffee है, चाय नहीं. So let's move ahead. People are fond of classical dance. That is called Bharatnatyam. So the famous dance of Tamil Nadu is Bharatnatyam. People of Chennai celebrate a number of festivals, but Pongal is the most important harvest festival of Chennai. What is the main festival of Chennai? Pongal is the main festival of Chennai. It is celebrated for 3 days in the month of January. January में 3 दिन के लिए पोंगल फेस्टिवल सेलिब्रेट किया जाता है. The climate of Chennai is neither very hot nor very cold. न ही ज्यादा ठंड होती है और न ही ज्यादा गर्मी होती है. It is generally warm through out of the air. It gets more rains in winters than in summers. Air in Chennai is very humid in the summer. कैसी होती है चेन्नई की हवाएं? Humid होती है गर्मियों में. So the people generally wear cotton cloths to absorb sweat. तो लोग क्या करते हैं? अपने पसीने को सुखाने के लिए, सोखने के लिए क्या यूज करते हैं? कॉटन के कपड़े यूज करते हैं. Dear student, as you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of famous dance, that is Bharatnatyam. This is the famous festival of Chennai, that is Pongal. Let's move ahead for this chapter. As I am removing it, there are a number of tourist places in Chennai. These are very first Marina Beach. So is the longest beach in India? This is very important question. As you can see in my screen, which is the longest beach in India? So the answer is Marina Beach is the longest beach in India. It is very beautiful. People are fond of spending their evening on the beach. Another beach called VGP Golden Beach has a number of swings and toy rings. Children love to visit this beach again and again. St. Thomas Cathedral is an old church worth seeing. कौन सा church? St. Thomas Cathedral. जो क्या है? बहुत अच्छा और देखने लायक है. Kapaleshwara and Parthsarathy temples are the famous temples of Chennai. As you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of Parthsarthi temple. This is the church, St. Thomas Cathedral, and this is the Kapaleshwar temple. So this is all about the Chennai. Dear student, let's have a quick revision for the chapter Chennai. Dear student, as I am highlighting it, this is the map of India and this is the position of Chennai. Dear student, Chennai is located on the eastern coast of our country, which is facing the Bay of Bengal. Dear student, according to the 2011 Indian census, it is the sixth largest city and fourth most populous urban agglomeration in India. कौन सी 6 नंबर पे सबसे बड़ी सिटी है और most populous urban agglomeration in India. It is one of the biggest city of South India. और क्या है? South India की एक biggest city है. What is the capital of Tamil Nadu? The capital of Tamil Nadu is Chennai. Dear student, all the important offices of government of Tamil Nadu are located in Chennai. तो क्या है? तमिलनाडु के बहुत सारे जो गवर्नमेंट ऑफिसेज हैं वो कहाँ है? चेन्नई में है, क्योंकि चेन्नई क्या है? कैपिटल ऑफ तमिलनाडु है. द गवर्नर, द चीफ मिनिस्टर एंड द अदर मिनिस्टर्स ऑफ तमिलनाडु लिव इन चेन्नई. चीफ मिनिस्टर और बाकी के मिनिस्टर भी कहाँ रहते हैं? चेन्नई में रहते हैं, बिकॉज इट इज द कैपिटल ऑफ तमिलनाडु. सो दिस इज ऑल अबाउट the first paragraph. The next one is Chennai has a big seaport. Ships bring goods from other countries and carry the goods produced in India to those countries. Dear student, main industry in Chennai are cotton textile coaches, railways, wagons and oil refineries. Tanks are manufactured at Avadi. Chennai has a big film industry also. So, what is the famous food of Chennai? These are idli, dosa, vada, upma and rasam with sambar and coconut chutney. These are the famous food of Chennai. Their main drink is coffee, not tea. So let's move ahead. People are fond of classical dance, that is Bharatnatyam. What is the classical dance of Tamil Nadu? Bharatnatyam. Bharatnatyam is the classical dance of Tamil Nadu. People of Chennai celebrate a number of festivals, but the main festival is Pongal. So, dear student, what is the famous festival of Tamil Nadu? That is Pongal, which is celebrated for 3 days in the month of January. So this is the pictorial part of Bharatnatyam. This is the pictorial part of festival, famous festival. This is the pictorial part of Marina Beach, which is famous for tourists. This is the VGP Golden Beach, which is very famous for the tourist. So let's move ahead. This is just a gist of the chapter, as I have already told you about these, and this is just a quick revision. Children love to visit these beach and again and again. Dear student, this is the pictorial part of church and temple. As you can see in my screen, this is the pictorial part of famous church, that is St. Thomas Cathedral. This is the pictorial part of temple, that is Parthsarthi. This is the pictorial part of Kapaleshwar temple. So, dear student, this is all about the chapter 14, that is Chennai. So, dear student, we will study our next chapter in our next class. Thank you.